This is our impact testing machine. We can use this machine to perform our Izod testing, where we'll be doing impact tests on various specimens at different temperatures. This is a 30-pound hammer, and it'll be used to shear this specimen off. When we pull this hammer up to 24 inches, which is where we have our height set, there's a lot of kinetic energy stored in this. You want to be careful when this hammer is in the up position. You have total ownership over this machine when you're running a test. Make sure nobody is in an area where they'll get hurt. The only thing that's holding this hammer back is this trip. When we trip that switch, the hammer free falls. Okay? Now we also have a brake. We push in on the center knob, it applies that brake, stops the hammer. So let's load a specimen into this machine. So with the brake applied, we can pull the hammer slightly to the right-hand side, which gives us some room to work here. So we have our standard specimen here. It's got a V notch in it. Okay, we put the specimen into the fixture. And you want to line up the V notch just approximately with the top of the fixture. So we just hand tighten it, and then we further use this checking jig. So it's got a bevel on it that will perfectly align into that notch on the specimen. We want to make sure that this is flat on the surface of the fixture and it slides into the notch on the specimen. So we position that correctly, tighten it up, get it nice and tight by hand. To further that, we can tighten it up with our adjustable wrench, and you want to get it in there pretty solid. Okay, and always double check. So that is correct. Okay. We want to verify that the height of our drop is 24 inches. Okay, and if we need to adjust that, we can use this dial to adjust it. But it's crucial we use 24 inches of height, and it's crucial that we use that exact number on all of our specimens in order to receive accurate, usable results. So we can take our brake off, pulling it out, and lift our hammer into that 24-inch height drop position. The next thing we want to do is move our dial so it's resting against this point. So what that's going to do is capture how many foot-pounds were required to shear this specimen across its cross-sectional area. So we are ready to perform this test now. We're set at 24 inches, our hammer is up, our dial is in the 0 position, our brake is off. All we have to do is hit the trip lever and apply the brake, and we take our measurement as to how many foot-pounds were required to break that specimen and what temperature the specimen was at when we performed the test. So be very cautious when performing this test. Have fun.